Good evening. In the main examination of civil services, in order to score better marks, you have to write better answers. But how to write better answers? This is a big puzzle. That is the reason why first thing we need to make a distinction between academic examinations and competitive examinations, especially those competitive examinations those are conducted by UPSC. In academic examinations, you may write as much as you know in the examination. But when it comes to the competitive examination, whatever you know, the whole has to be concise. That should be made a very brief one as per the word limitation that is given by UPSC, and you have to present your answer so briefly, so concisely to suit the question that is asked in the examination. This is not one day job. It will take a lot of time for practicing this because all these years you have been into your academics where you started learning many things and you wrote all those things what you have in your mind. But when it comes to the UPSC exam, you need to write with high quality. What do you mean by quality here? Quality in the sense you should be able to write only those points that are required for that particular question, and you need to restrict your answer as per the word limitation that is given by UPSC. Once you do this, you will be getting better marks. But how to do this? That is the reason why you need special practice as far as the writing answers is concerned. If you look at the syllabus, most of the topics you will be learning during your preliminary stage itself. Meaning, as far as the subject is concerned, there is no doubt everybody has got plenty of subject in their mind. But when it comes to the quality, how exactly you present your answer will make all the difference, and that is going to give you better marks, and that is going to give you better service as far as this particular examination is concerned. Everybody will aspire to become an IAS, IPS, right? But very few will be in a position to achieve, and that all depends on how exactly you practice. Especially when it comes to the main examination, writing answers must be made a practice, and this is not one day, 2 day job that you need to write consistently till you finish your main examination successfully. With the same intention, we are going to start a batch for mains of IAS 2021 starting from November 1st. And on November 1st, we are going to start with the paper number 3, because paper number 3 is considered to be one of the toughest papers as far as the mains is concerned. In paper number 3 of general studies, you got economy, you got science and technology, you got environment, you got disaster management, and you also got the the national security. So all these are going to be covered very effectively. But please remember this one, I am going to cover, and let me tell you, I am going to deal with the complete paper, right? And I am going to teach you all the topics here. I am going to give you the questions, and I am going to tell you how to write the answers, and I am going to give you the questions for you to write the answers, and I am going to evaluate your answers. Fine, everything will be taken care by me. This, as far as this paper number 3 is concerned. Now, how you will be going about this? So, please remember, as far as this particular paper is concerned, you can join only for this paper also if anybody wants. But let me tell you very clearly that our focus will be more and more on answer writing. How to write better answers. So we'll be looking into all the topics. The topics will be explained to you. We'll be framing some questions. We'll also take the questions from the previous papers. We'll be giving the answers, and then practice questions will also be given to you, and you are expected to write the answers and send it to me for the purpose of evaluation. This is going to happen from November 1st onwards. Admissions are open from today, and anybody who wishes to join, you are most welcome to join. But how to join? Let me show you now. You please open our site This is onlineias.com. Before that, I would like to show you the syllabus. Maybe you are all aware of the syllabus here. All the topics under paper number 3 will be covered effectively. No topic is going to be missed, and no topic is going to be missed even with respect to the giving the questions also. Right? Now, anybody who wishes to join, please move your cursor towards the right of the screen where you can see IAS 2021. At the top you can see current affairs special batch. We have a special batch for current affairs for IAS 2021. Anybody who wants to join, you may please join. Classes have been commenced on May 25th, 2020, and it will continue till the finish of your examination. Right? All the classes will also be provided to you if you join now. We have a separate batch for prelims, and even in the prelims also we have offered subject wise. Anybody who wishes to join even now, you are most welcome. Clear? Now let me talk about the mains. Anybody who wants to join for both prelims and mains now, you can click here and you can follow the procedure. Now let me tell you how to join for the main examination. Please click on mains. You will be taken to the next page. Alright? So this is the next page where you can see GS paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. And we are going to start paper 3 on November 1st. So if anybody wants to join, please click on GS paper 3. Then you will be looking at some points here. You please click on enroll online. Then you will be taken to the payment gateway where you are asked to give your information. Look at this left side of the screen where you will be asked to give your details. Your name has to be given and your mobile number, phone number has to be given, followed by email address should also be given for the communication purpose. Clear? And after giving this, you can look at the right side. The cost is 10,000 rupees for paper 3 main examination. And you have an option. You can pay through either Paytm gateway or you can pay through CC Avenue gateway. Both are same. This is your choice. After that, click here. Then click on register to the course. You will be taken to the payment gateway page where you can pay through credit card, debit card or net banking. All these facilities are there. You can pay through this. The moment you finish your payment, immediately you will get the mail with all the details. If anybody wants to join with some other easy procedure, you please take a pic of this. This is related to paper 3. You can look at the price. The price is currently 10,000 rupees for entire paper 3 general studies IAS 2021 main examination, and the classes to be commenced from November 1st onwards. You can please look at my Google Pay number, Phone Pay number or Paytm number. According to your convenience, you can pay through this. After that, you can send your details to my WhatsApp number. You can see my mobile number, WhatsApp number, both are same. Google Pay number, Phone Pay number, everything is same. After that, you please send your details like a screenshot of the payment, your name, WhatsApp number, mail ID and course. Course means paper 2, paper 3, paper 4. You mention it very clearly. Right? And we are going to start paper 3 from November 1st onwards. After paper 3, we are going to start paper 4. That will be probably from December 1st, 2020. Am I clear? But kindly, right now, all the serious candidates are requested to join for the paper 3. And kindly remember, you have to practice. Once you join, meaning you are committed to work hard, you are committed to listen to the classes very carefully, and you are expected to follow my guidelines as it is for writing better answers. By the end of this particular paper, you will be comfortable. You will be comfortable in all the areas of this paper 3 in writing better answers. This much I can guarantee you. Plus, till the main examination to be conducted in 2021, my support will continue. and updates with respect to various subjects like economy, science and technology. Everything will be provided to you till you finish your examination. Fine. And this is the complete one regarding the seminar, and I wish you all very 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 good luck. Take a very quick decision, join soon. From day number 1, if you are attending, that will be really this you can make a certain plan, and within the stipulated time we can finish it up. If you want to join later also you can join, but the two things will be there. One is the fee is going to be enhanced to 12,500 from November 1st onwards. Second thing will be, if you join late, all the classes will be provided, but you will be lagging behind. Why should you do that? That is the reason why my suggestion, please join for the paper 3 as soon as possible, and the classes are to be commenced from November 1st 2020 for IAS 2021 examination. And thank you so much for being with me this evening, and I wish you all very 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 good luck, and see you during the classes. Thank you so much.